Hi everyone, but what if I told you there might be a simple, natural helper you can easily incorporate into your routine? Today, we're talking about a surprisingly common herb that shows promise for balancing things out from the inside, spearmint. So, how can a simple tea possibly help with something as complex as hormonal acne? Well, some research suggests that spearmint has properties that might help gently nudge hormones back into balance. Specifically, it's thought to have mild anti-androgenic effects. Androgens are hormones that, when elevated, can increase oil production and contribute to those deep, cystic breakouts typical of hormonal acne. By potentially helping to lower these androgen levels slightly, spearmint tea could, over time, lead to clearer skin for some people. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to try. All you need is some good quality spearmint tea, either loose leaf or tea bags. Simply brew yourself a cup just like any other herbal tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves or 1 tea bag in hot, but not boiling, water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The key here is consistency. Aim for 1 to 2 cups daily, ideally around the same time each day, to see if it makes a difference for you. Remember, natural remedies often take time. Now, it's really important to remember that this isn't a magic bullet, and results can vary greatly from person to person. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free. While generally safe for most adults, some people might experience mild digestive upset. And crucially, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have kidney problems, or any underlying health condition, please talk to your doctor before adding spearmint tea or any new remedy to your routine. This information is for educational purposes only and definitely isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. Have you ever tried spearmint tea for your skin? Or do you have other natural remedies you swear by for hormonal acne? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more simple, natural wellness ideas.